Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to screen mirror your phone to your hisense vidaa smart TV or to your smart TV. What you're going to do is you're going to go to inputs, and after going to inputs you're going to search for screen mirroring or screen cast, and when you open it, it's going to bring you this page showing you connect your phone and your TV to the same Wi-Fi network, or you can just go on your remote and place on inputs and then go to screen sharing or screen casting or screen mirroring. And what you're going to do, you're going to get your phone after getting to that page, and you're going to pull down the notification tab, and you're going to look for smart view. And after opening smart view, you see, you're going to look for smart view, or go to settings and search for smart view, and you're going to place on smart view. It's going to search for the device or the TV that is around, that is ready to cast or mirror your phone, and you're just going to place on it, and it's going to connect instantly. You don't need any tricks or anything. As you see, my phone has connected to my smart TV, and whatever I do on my phone is mirrored to my smart TV. And that's how you can connect your phone, or you can mirror your phone screen to your smart TV. For example, if you go on TikTok, you go on YouTube, you rotate your phone, anything you do on your phone reflects on the TV. Open YouTube, maybe open TikTok, anything you do reflects to your TV. Or if you have a movie on your phone and you want to watch it from your TV, but it's on your phone, you don't have time, to transfer to the USB stick, to the laptop, or connect HDMI cables, you just screen mirror your phone to your TV, and it's very easy. Go to inputs. After going to inputs, you're going to go to screen mirroring and get your phone, and you look for smart view. And some phones you have to look for screencast or screen mirroring, and you place on that. It's going to search for the device that is ready to mirror your phone, and you place on connect. And in most cases, you have to connect your phone and your smart TV on the same Wi-Fi network to become easy, so that you can connect easily. You have to connect your TV and your phone to the same Wi-Fi network. There the connection becomes easy and smooth. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.